Hello everyone. So in this practical we will install print server first, then we will do some configuration related to printer in the print server, and we will access that print server from the client machine. Okay, so as I told you in the previous practical, if you want to add any roles in the server, then you have to click or you have to open server manager. Okay, then you have to click on add roles and features, next, next, and next. In the server roles, you have to select print and document services. Okay, read the description. Print and document services enables you to centralize print server and network printer management task. With this role, you can also receive scanned documents from the network scanner and route the documents to a shared network resources, Windows SharePoint service site, or email address. But our concern for this practical is on only print server. Click on that, then let us find, is there any services or is there any features required for the print server? No. Then click next, then click next. Server roles means we will select only print server. Read the description. Print server includes the print management snap-in, which is used for managing multiple printers or print servers and migrating printers to and from other Windows print server. So we will select only print server. Then next, install. So what we have done in this task, we have installed, or sorry, we are going to install print server. It will take some time. Okay, installation succeeded. Close this. Let us see in the notification. Yes, it is succeeded, and you can see print server options is available in the roles and server groups. Okay, then close. Then from the tools menu, open. Is there any print management console? Yes, it is print management console available. Then click on that. Once you click on that print management console, you will get this print server, and this is our server. And in the print server, you will get drivers, forms, ports, printers. So what is our task? We have to install one printer, and that printer we will access from the client machine. Okay, so let us select the printer and right click on add printer. Okay, I am going to do the again same. Right click on printer, then add printer. Okay, so we are not going to add printer using IP address. We are just adding some printer using line printer port. Then next, install a new driver. For example, we are going to install Canon inkjet 0253 class driver. Next, we are going to install local as well as share this printer, and sharing name is this class Canon inkjet 253 driver. Then next. Okay, finish. So what we have done, we have installed Canon inkjet 0253 class driver printer in the server, right? And we want to access that printer from the our client machine, that is Windows 7. So let me do that. For that I have to open Windows 7. So this is our client machine, and as you know that if I want to access the printer, then what should I have to do? I have to type the IP address of that server, and we got this. It's taking some time. Okay, and we are getting this Canon InkZ 0253 driver. Once I double click on this, it will looking for the driver which will be fetched from the server, and it will be installed in this machine. Okay, it will take some time for the installation. Okay, and we got this printer queue. Suppose if I want, if I will have any printer in future, then I can suppose if I have one another printer, then I have to, if I want to add this printer, then click on add printer, existing port, install new driver. Suppose I have printer of HP color laser Z1600, and next, 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 finish. Right now if you look from the Windows 7 client machine, we have only one printer, but we have installed one extra printer in the Windows Server 2012, and if I will refresh this, I will got this. I will get this, right? If I double click on that, it again fetch driver from the server. Now I can access both the printers of the server from the client machine. Okay, suppose if I want to print something like this, then pictures. If I want to print this picture, click on print, then print. I want to print from HP, right? Print. You can get this in the print queue. Windows Server, open HP, right click, open print queue. Okay, you are getting this, right? We got this request from where? From the client machine. So this is all about the printers. If you want to add some ports, then you can add it from this port. If you want to add some extra forms, if you want to add driver, then you can do this in this. So these are all about the print server. What we have done, we have installed print server, then we have add one printer in the print server, and we have accessed that printer from the our client machines, that is Windows 7. So that's all about the Windows print server. Thank you.